DJM TV.
My great people in the world, I am happy you've all seen the lies that Jesus lied and hit on me. I am happy I've been vindicated. A lot of people called me from every part of the world asking me to forgive her because I said I will not forgive her. I am here to tell all of you that I've forgiven Ada Jesus. Onye a na-akpọ m ebe, onye a na-akpọ m ebe, onye a na-akpọ m ebe, agbayala Ada. From my heart of hearts, Ada Jesus, I've forgiven you. But I want to sound a note of warning. Onye kili kwa okunya do no aru ani na-ekwu. Una akpọl is na men of God. It's not for you. It's for God. Omuna dibia bia n'iru be kika wele ife togbo. Efi aru na amai kale na atu egwu igbafue. Man of God wele Bible bia debe n'iru be gi efi a ina aba. Who kept this? Bible. Anye need the na no so nwanyogo. Stop insulting men of God, particularly my man of God, Prophet Chukwuemeka Ohanemere Odumejeje. Welu ni asolo no monso. O de mo manya ka monwa ji we no nye na ebe ono. Bali debe no maka na mesi Odumeje. Aka di onye mo weli afilisi. I am comfortable staying with him. Chebede makenodo, leave us alone. Ada Jesus, Abaya Lugomi. From my heart of heart, like I said, Abaya Lugomi. My fans, wherever you are, the whole people in the world, Bikuni. Abaya Lugomi, Ada Jesus. Thank you for intervening. I thank all of you for intervening. I thank all of you that called to ask me to forgive her. I have forgiven her. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Dalono munem. Ogosinono from Naya. Dalono. Thank you, all my fans.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV.
Let's go. Mado.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.